Da-da-da-da-da-da. Happy birthday, America! Today, we are making a flag cake with strawberries and blueberries. I have a very special assistant today. Everybody welcome, Steven! 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 Woo! Steven's our special guest for today.
Is it your birthday?
It's not my birthday, it's America's birthday.
Oh, right.
Let's get started on our cake, my
Let's do
friend.
it.
We got our classic favor. Pour that out into our bucket.
Yeah.
Please and thank you. Always remember manners,
You also have to be careful when you open it, not to spray it everywhere.
which has happened quite a dozen times.
There we go.
Success!
Got it.
Woo! This is why Steven is the special assistant.
Whole bag.
Don't leave none out. Get it all in there.
It's all in there.
Perfect. All right, next, sir. Eggs.
How many?
We need at least, no, we need 3. Not at least 3, we need 3. Yes! Steven, can you go ahead and mix that up for us a little bit?
Yeah, we want to stir in the eggs first, right?
Mm-hmm. Rachel will be sorry. Remember to smile. All right, you want to add in a cup of water while you're stirring.
While we're mixing. That's important.
Excuse me, sir. Perfect. As well, excuse me again, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
You want 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
1/3.
1/3.
Oh, it already smells
No
really
more,
good.
no less. Perfect. We're gonna mix that up real good.
Approximately
10 stirs.
one national anthem's worth of it.
And we're gonna have a glorious cake in 24 minutes. Hang tight. And we're back! Our cake is done. Our cake is done. Steven! Steven, where's the cake?
I have it.
Woo! There it is! Awesome job.
Oh.
Thanks so much.
From my hat.
Can't forget your hat, dude. Come on. I got the apron. Let's go. Perfect.
Ready.
All right, let's get started.
Is our cake cool?
It's all set to go. I checked it.
What do we do?
First things first, get your, what is that called?
Spatula.
Spatula. Get a nice glob of frosting on there. You want to smooth it out gently. You do want to make sure
The
that
cake
you're...
doesn't.
We're switching tools. Makes it a little easier. Get a nice
Plastic
glob of
butter
fr-
knife.
We have found works best through our dedicated research.
Yep.
As you
It's
can see,
America's birthday, top left corner. Blueberries.
and you want to shape them into a square.
Because the American flag has a blue square.
And that would actually be really good to do with your kids when asking about shapes. And you can even count the blueberries you put on.
Because in a square, it's going to be the same on the top and down the side.
Do the best.
Mm-hmm. That looks good.
Boom! All right, after your blueberries are done, of course you're gonna need your red and white stripes. And for the red, strawberries.
Victoria, how many stripes are on the flag? 13.
13 stripes are on the flag.
Nice, even stripes.
And you can count as you go. 3, 4,
5,
6,
7,
and 8.
and a snack.
End of it all, you've got your flag cake with strawberries and blueberries.
Perfect.
Woo!
Great job.
You're the best. dig in.
Let's do it.